Hey y'all, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I just want to say hello. And today I've decided to come outside and do a Dollar Tree haul and a 99-cent store haul. I think you guys might be crooked a little, sorry. So it has been a rough couple of days, guys. Not to complain, but just to kind of tell you guys, I do believe that we all kind of make how we feel. Like medically, yes, like people have medical issues. But, you know, sometimes like mentally we kind of drag ourselves down, and I feel like that's probably what I've been doing because I'm just so disappointed and sad about everything that's happening. So I decided I was going to sit outside for a little while today because I tell my patients all the time, like, you can't just stay in your room all the time and get mopey and do this because you're not going to feel better. So I got out of the house a little bit today, and I decided I was going to come outside and do a Dollar Tree haul. And then my dogs are excited because they like to lay by the pool and to get sun. I'm telling you, they're crazy. But, alright guys, so I got my first IV iron infusion 2 days ago, and I just keep telling myself it's going to make me feel better. But man, it was hard. It was hard on my body. Like, today's day 2 after getting it, and I'm feeling a little better. But yesterday, guys, whew, so I'm still down a little bit more weight. I am down to 145 now. And it's just, whew, it's just a hard haul. I'm still doing it. I'm trucking through it, but yesterday was a hard day. It was definitely hard. I don't know. Oh, it's been a long road, and I just know it's going to get better. I know it is. But if you've ever had IV iron infusions, please tell me if something has made you feel better, because yesterday I truly thought that we were going to have to go back to the hospital. Like, that's how horrible I felt. And today it's like noon, and I was doing okay at like 7 o'clock this morning, but by like 10 I started feeling like nauseated and sick again and not eating, and I'm forcing myself to eat, and it's just a mess. But anyways, guys, let's get moving. So I was very excited about some of the stuff I found, so I just want to show you. So let's start with my let's start with my Dollar Tree haul. So I went into one Dollar Tree. Oh, why did I put that all the way over there? Like, sometimes I wonder about myself. Hold on one second. I don't even know what you guys are looking at right now. Hopefully not the back side of me. So I went into one Dollar Tree and I found these, and these are so beautiful. And I found them before, but I have a different idea this time. Sorry, my stomach is just a little bit woozy. This time my idea is I've been sleeping a lot better, but when you just kind of are sitting home, you do a lot of Pinterest looking and stuff. And so I want to make these into little lanterns. Like, how beautiful would these be with a, like, one of the LED lights inside of it? The light coming from inside of here would be so beautiful. I love it. So it is just the rose gold. Like I said, I've seen them a million times, but I've never thought of doing the lantern with it. So I did get 2 of these. Excuse me. And then I have been seeing and thinking, I've been thinking years of doing the little snowman. So one of my stores had a lot of these little fishbowl things. So I bought 8, I think. There was a whole lot more, so I didn't take them all. But, excuse me. So I'm going to just try to do little snowmen. So I just thought it would be fun, and I'll show you guys, you know, how I do it. But like I said, a lot of people do it. So, and this is all from one store. So one of the things that I did get from a store a couple weeks ago or something was this loaded potato soup, and it's the Campbell's Kitchen Classics, ready to enjoy, no water needed, 14.5 ounces. You guys, I put some cheese in here, and I just put some of those real bacon bits or whatever they're called from the Dollar Tree, or I don't know if ours are from the Dollar Tree, but I actually saw them today in the Dollar Tree, so I know you can get them there. This soup was so amazing. Like, it was so good. I was really surprised. So I did get this, but I wanted to show you something. So yes, I got 2 of these because I need to eat. So let me show you the second thing I got, and then I'm going to show you something. So I got this, okay? These are the Scrumptious Puffed pastries. I've seen so many of the scrumptious things hauled. And when I went to the store today, I told you, that's my little pit bull getting further because I think that the sun moved or something and got him in the shade and he needs to suntan outside. But so I saw all of these at my store today, but I'm not going to pick them all up because the last thing I want to do is, if I do get hungry, have all the sweets and stuff to snack on and then gain the weight back way unhealthily and then be like, you know, really big. So anyways, I picked these up, and these are scrumptious puff pastries with apple cinnamon filling, 6.8 ounces. I absolutely love apple cinnamon. So you can see I got hungry on the way home, right? So I open them before I look at the calories and stuff. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like they're already pre-packaged like individually for me so I don't sit on the couch and eat all of them, right? How cute, 2 little things, right? Guys, let me tell you. So I turned the package over and these were 8 servings per container. So just so you know, there's not 8 packages of these. There's 2 in a package with 4 packages. So one of these is 110 calories. So this package right here, 240 calories for these two things. And let's see, 18 grams of sugar. Guys, 220 calories. I did eat a whole package already, and they are good. They're just, I don't know about 220 calories good, okay? So these right here, 220 calories for these, and it took me 2 seconds to eat. You all, this 280 calories for the whole entire container. So I just want to point out, like, you know, when we reach for a snack or something like that, literally, like, almost, not exactly, but almost the same exact calories. Let's be honest, this I'm gonna eat, and then I'm probably gonna need a snack again very soon after. This right here, filling, yeah. So almost the same amount of calories. So I was just like, oh, when I saw that, I was like, thank goodness, because they had strawberry ones too. And I was like, oh, I'll pick those up. I'm so glad I didn't pick up any more than just this. I could not believe it. Long story for those, but I just wanted to tell you. So this just has the rest of my fish bowls in them. So I found these cups. I've never seen them there. I was just looking to see, because some of the labels there on some of the other cups had the ones that you could tell were from Target. When you look at the bottom, they have like the white and red labels, but these are not. Anyways, how cute are these? I love these. They're the cutest little things. So I did pick up 2 of them because I think they're gonna look so cute on my hot cocoa bar, and I just thought they were so cute. So I picked up 2. I mean, look at, first of all, I just thought it was weird that the cup was down, the handle was down here. I don't know, but I just thought they were cute, so I picked up 2. And then, so then I went to another store, right? And I was like, no, Amy, we are only looking for, I'm trying to find the boot ornaments. And so I did go to 2 different Dollar Trees. I could not find them. But I was like, no, we're not getting anything if we don't find the boot ornaments. So I kept going. I went through the store and I was like, oh, that's cute. Nope, not getting it. Oh, that's cute. Nope, not getting it. And then I saw these and I was like, okay, I'm going to have to get some. And so then I just kind of, I thought, well, if I'm getting these, then I might as well get the other stuff I liked. But these were what ultimately made me say, yes, Amy, you need to pick them up. So it was a Dollar Tree Plus. So I'm going to be honest. At first, I was like looking at the tag because I was like, okay, they're more than $1. So I was trying to figure it out because they're big. I'm trying to see. So here is the can of soup, which you all know what size, how big a can of soup is. I'm sorry. My brain is still very foggy. And truly, I feel like the sun is actually making me feel a little bit worse. So I will be going in right after this video. But, so here is this. I was looking, it says flickering effect on and off switch. So first of all, this is, I think it's huge. It's compared, it's gonna be sunny outside, so you're not gonna see it. But how cute is this? So it is just the lantern with the deer. And then guys, it had the white lantern with the snowflakes. And they all have the LED in them. Does it have the size on them? It doesn't, but they're big. So that's the white with the snowflakes. And then they had the green with the Christmas trees. So I was like, okay, well, since no matter what, these are going in my cart, I might as well get the other stuff that I liked. So then I did pick up this snowman. I need to fix him because for some reason so he does have like little sand at the bottom. I mean, he looks kind of cute, but anyways, this is him. How cute is this little snowman guy? So I was like, come in my cart with me, and it's by Christmas House, but he came in my cart because of the other things. And then, as I've said before, I'm doing an elf. My favorite all-time movie is the Elf movie, and I saw these for $1 each. Here's my little guy elf, and here's my little girl elf, or they're both guys, or they're both girls. I don't care, but they are elves, and they are like, they have the sand in the bottom, so they sit up. And so I was like, you have to get in my cart. Like, and they're big, and they're so cute. Wait a minute, this little guy, whoop. Oh gosh, hold on. Oh, and I hit the table and everything. Sorry. This little guy has a hole in the arm. He has actually a couple holes in the arm. I'll just put some super glue on him and he'll be fine. I should have looked. So be careful on the seams, but they were $1 each, so they went in my cart. And then I had to get this because I think I've said it before. Even my 21-year-old has to go to bed by a certain time on Christmas Eve because, quote, Santa comes. And when they wake up, their stockings are there, their Santa stuff is there. And so again, my son is 21. I just believe that it's just still like, I don't know. I just believe that there is still magic in Christmas. I don't know what it is. So I got this because it says believe in the magic of Christmas. And it had these little, look at all these little beads at the top. How cute. But I'm not going to do anything, I don't think, I might, I don't know, to the sign, but I truly, truly believe in this because I think, I don't know, like I said, like my kids still to this day know they have to go to bed at a certain time because Santa's going to come, and then Santa sets up this huge, beautiful breakfast for them in the morning, and they get up, yeah. I mean, I'll have grandkids and they'll still be doing it, but, you know, it just makes me happy, and I know inside it makes them happy too. And it's still magical. That's why I got Believe in the Magic of Christmas. I did pick up more of these. These are different ones. This is cobblestone candy. Are you guys, have you been crooked this whole time? I don't know. I'm sorry if you have. I think you still are, actually. I don't know. Anyways, I hope not. Anyways, okay. This is cobblestone candy, and it is just one of their, I thought that light, I think that window might be coming out a little bit. And then you do just put the LED light in the bottom. So this is for my son and I's village. And because of the trick he pulled on me with Halloween, with telling me at the last second he needed decorations, I truly believe that he is going to want some of my items from my village to put in his house. And I'm not going to let him trick me and wait till the last second and take them out of my actual village. So I got to put a couple pieces together so that when he says I need to make my own village, I already have it ready for him. Whew. This has taken a lot out of me. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't realize how much it was going to take out of me. Okay, so this is another one of the cobblestone corner miniatures. Look at this little church. It is so cute. I just love it. And again, it has the LED on the bottom. So we got that. And let's see. So I picked up more of these LED lights for my snowman that I'm going to make. But these ones come in blue, and I think the last ones I got were whites. So I just love the blue color on these. And they're battery operated 10 lights, require 1.5 volt AA batteries. And they are by Christmas House, so again, they're just blue. So I think I picked up 3 of those. And then they had all the little pieces out to their village, and so I had to get, I think, one of every one I saw, except for one I think I still have from last year. So these are the Winter Village, and they're all by Cobblestone Corners, and this has the 2 little street light or street signs with the bench. And this has, I think that's like lumber or something, I don't know, on their wagon, and a guy carrying lumber, and then just the little kid at the top. And then this one, we have Santa, and we have the snowman, and we have the little sign, which is so cute. So I could get that. I have to switch arms. So I got Santa mail, and the little postman, and the Christmas tree. Very cute. And then I did pick up these 3 with the snowman, the sled, and then the kid tubing. Thought that was cute. And I had not seen these before, which I'm sure they've had before, but I haven't seen it. And this is called Ornament Filler, and it is 3 ounces. But you guys, look at the color. I mean, that's so pretty. So I got that one, and I think they're like little glass gems or something. It's definitely pretty heavy. Well, I guess it's 3 ounces. So I picked that up. I picked it up also in the clear, and that is also 3 ounces. And they're just like little like beads or something. I don't know if you can see them, but it's just a bunch of little beads versus like where they have the big beads. I just thought it was cool. And then I did pick up this because I have regular faux snow, guys, but I do not have blue faux snow. And I was like, where did you come from? So this is 1.25 ounces, and it is blue faux snow. It is so cute. So I picked that up. I am just really quick going to add in my 99-cent store haul at the end of this, and then we'll be done. So I picked up, and the reason I want to put in my 99-cent store haul and I don't just give up right now, because it has taken a lot out of me. I'm sorry. I did not realize how much it would take out of me. So I picked these up, and they just say Hello Fall, and they're ceramic candle holders. And they're by Momentum brand, and I've seen them at the Dollar Tree, but I just hadn't picked them up. But I'm gonna paint them, but I picked them up because how cute is this gonna be for a little lantern? So I'm gonna put it on here. We're gonna like glue it on, and then we will put like some of like the, I don't know, tinsel or something down there, but that's gonna be with like some lights in it. It's gonna be so cute. So these were 99 cents. They did have the ones that were a little bit taller, and those I think were like $1.99, but I just wanted the little ones. So I got those. And then I picked this up in their party section because I just want to see if it's going to work for my ornaments. It's 9 feet, and they were 99 cents, and they have the blue, the yellow, the pink, the purple, and the green. I just thought it was cute, and it says it's paper string. So we'll see if it works for my ornaments. And then I did just pick up 2 of the chopped kits, the Fresh Express. This one right here is my absolute favorite. I love this chopped kit, the sweet kale. I absolutely love this. And, excuse me, I don't know if it's the sunlight or what, but I am struggling. I'm trying to see the ounces. 11.1 ounces, and this was only $1.99. If you guys have ever looked at the grocery stores, they're usually like $3 to $4, and so this was $1.99. So I picked this up, and this is like 2 to 3 kind of meals or lunches for me. So I picked it up because anything that sounds good to me right now that I will eat, I have to get, because like I said, I'm continuing to lose weight, which I don't want to do. And then I did get the Southwest, which I do like also. And so I picked that up. So there's 3 servings. So this is 300. Just so you guys know, this is 300. This whole bag, 300 calories. These 2 little things, 220. I just want to point that out. Like, I was amazed. I was like, oh my gosh, like they were good, but I don't know if they were like a meal good. So anyways, this Southwest has the Greek yogurt jalapeno ranch dressing, Mexican blend cheeses, yellow and blue tortillas. So good. So again, this was $1.99 and the other one was $1.99, and so I will eat them for my lunches. This one's good till October 20th. This one's good till October 24th. So I think that's it, guys. That is my 99-cent store and Dollar Tree haul. I think I'm gonna go inside and rest. I don't know what is going on, but I thought I would get outside and get some sun. But maybe, I don't know, it's not really hot out. It's like 70, and in Arizona, that is good. But anyways, guys, I hope that you guys are having a great day. I just really wanted to bring this stuff to you guys and to say hi, because I don't think like I physically have done a video in a while. I just have a lot of saved videos. So I hope that you're all having an amazing day, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.